Hello, in second demo, we creating a new project. Open the STS, wait for the few minutes. Let's see. Closing this project. And create a new project. Right click, new Spring Starter project. Observe, just observe ID is connecting to start.io. This pro and then project name here, sorry, demo project 2. Right click here, new, and then spring starter project. Just observe id is creating to spring.io. Then project name here, and then select project type Maven, package Java version is 17 and language is Java, and then select the group ID, artifact ID, and then new, and then next add the dependencies. Then search here web, this one, select the spring web, and finish here. We can simply do it again. Right click on this project, run as, and select Maven build. In this goal section, type here clean package, and then run it. Here it builds successfully and do clean springboot run. It doing compiling, running the test cases. Okay, see here, and springboot application are started. Let's see it's build the successfully. We started a new service. In the new service we did not add any static folder. Let's see. Change Java version to JDK 17 and also install JDK and JRE and also compiler session. Then write a REST API in Spring Boot which take two number and return the sums. Here go here, right click on project, click on project, src main, then this package, these are the package, create a new class, then right click on package, then new, then create a Java class, then name of the class is, the name of Java class is calculator controller, and we will put inside the package is my my first have dot controller, and finish it, run, and then run it again, right click on project, then new, run as, select Maven build, in the goal section type clean spring boot run, and run it. Scanning the project, let's see, deleting and compiling, and also it's built successfully and start the application. And the server is started successfully on port 8080. Next, let's see, I'm discussing the theory of REST API. Open the browser and see. This is REST API. REST API is based on post, get, put, and delete methods. Get mapping is the HTTP method. We read the actually get mapping is used to read is used to read the resources. Also, post is used for creating a new resources, and put mapping is used for updating capabilities. It's using for updating the tasks. We using REST API in Spring Boot. Then first of all, we update the project. Right click on project, then Maven, and then object project. And it's updated. Then open the browser wait for a few seconds. Type here ChatGPT. Open the ChatGPT. Write a REST API in Spring Boot. Which take, let's see, it's a web dependency, and these are the copy this code and remove this one and paste here. Import a request mapping library. Also import get mapping library. And save it. Remove all the errors and save it. Here discussion about the theory part of Spring and Spring Boot. in Spring and Spring Boot, the basic terminologies. Spring and Spring Boot, it's a framework. There are multiple terminals like standalone, web application, monolithic, distributed, SOA, and so on terminals. First is the standalone application. This application, the application or the project which run only in your single machine. It does not need internet on any other system for running. That's called standalone application. And the next one is web application. It needs internet. As simple as which is running on internet across web. So one form of web application could be your browser. That's called the web application. Monolithic application, a single unified application where all components are tightly integrated, and the all components are UI, basic business logic, data access, and these are the deploy as one package on single server. And the next one is distributed application. This application in this application, components are run on multiple servers. That's called the distributed application. Then let's see the diagrams. These are the monolith application. It got changes and people came with improved model which was a service oriented architecture, and this one. Let it breaks into different smaller system like this one, service bus, service REST XML. These are the smaller systems of service oriented architecture. For developing a project, it's a microservices, and this one. Also in microservices there are three services: service 1, service 2 and service 3, and the granular fine grain service. Microservice is base system are pretty lightweight and some of big organization in the industry, and the really using microservices are very well. These services communicate to each other. That's called web services. Types of framework. These are the many frameworks like MVC framework, Web Service Framework, Spring Framework, Database Framework, Application JE Framework, so on. And the REST controller, just see, it is available as a part of core web related module of Spring. Again, terminate the project and right click. Also again the process of clean, right click on project, run as, Maven big, clean. In the section of goals, write the clean and run it. Scanning for a project, it's built successfully, and then installing the Postman for REST API methods. Open the browser and search it, Postman. See, download Postman. Select the Windows 64-bit. And it is down. This is the process of downloading. Wait for a few seconds and install it.